Conservation of Momentum, Calculating the Combined Velocity After a Head-on Collision by KayScience.com. This is the problem you will learn how to solve. Press pause to attempt it. The method and the answer will follow. This black car has a mass of 100 kilograms and a velocity of plus 20 meters per second. And this blue car has a mass of 100 kilograms but a velocity of minus 10 meters per second. So a negative velocity means the car is moving from right to left, and a positive velocity in this example means the car is moving from left to right. We can use the equation P equals m times v to calculate the momentum of both the cars that are moving towards each other. For the black car, you do the mass, 100 kilograms, times the velocity of plus 20 meters per second, which gives you a momentum of plus 2,000 kilogram meters per second. And the car on the right has a momentum of 100 kilograms times minus 10 meters per second, which gives this car a momentum of minus 1,000 kilogram meters per second. So now the cars move towards each other and collide. So now the cars have collided, let's work out the cars' combined momentum. So that's going to be the black cars plus 2,000 kilogram meters per second plus the blue cars minus 1,000 kilogram meters per second. This gives a combined momentum of both the cars of plus 1,000 kilogram meters per second. So now to work out the combined velocity, we require the combined mass. So the combined mass is going to be the black cars 100 kilograms plus the blue cars 100 kilograms, which gives you a combined mass of 200 kilograms. So now we have the combined momentum of plus 1,000 kilogram meters per second and the combined mass of 200 kilograms. We can now work out the combined velocity after the collision. So we recall the equation P equals m times v, but we want to rearrange for v, velocity. So it's v equals P divided by m. Velocity equals momentum divided by mass. So the combined velocity equals the combined momentum divided by the combined mass. So the combined momentum is plus 1,000 kilogram meters per second. The combined mass is 200 kilograms. So when you divide the combined momentum of 1,000 kilogram meters per second by 200 kilograms, you get a velocity of plus 5 meters per second. So the cars are going to move to the right with a velocity of plus 5 meters per second. But this is the velocity directly after the crash. The car is going to decelerate. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.